Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness, in which we'll have our drawing for Happy Mail at the end of the video. It's also our video of Shop the Restock, which is restocking my Etsy shop. This is what's new on my Etsy shop this week. So the link for my Etsy shop is down below. So let's begin. I'm going to put this over here. I don't know, I'm having trouble with my words today. This is the third time I've tried to make this video. Hopefully we'll get through it and I won't stumble on myself too much. So let's go ahead and let's begin with our sari silk tassels. And these are made on a lobster clip, and the lobster clip turns around like this. So it's really nice. You can pop these onto a bag, a satchel, a tote, your luggage, whatever it is that you would like to decorate, or maybe even just say, oh, that's mine over there, because you notice that you have your tassel on there. Each one of these is listed separately over in my Etsy shop. Once again, the link for my shop is down below. So that is that. I have these large envelopes. They're cloth envelopes, and I think I'm going to package at least these altered paper clips separately so that the envelope ships flat. They're fabric. It has a pinking shear edge. It has been machine stitched. There is music paper inside, and it is fully lined. There's sewing trim on the flap right here. I think that's a beautiful color. And the fabric has white, I think they're daisies. I'm not sure. They're white flowers with yellow centers and a blue background. I think that's really sweet. Inside, you will find 3 pieces of ephemera, like this one. This one opens up, and then it has a pull down, and then right here it has a pocket. Okay, so that's complete, ready to pop into your journal, or possibly some Happy Mail, or even maybe your scrapbook. So I'm going to tie this up just like this, as a nice little closure, some flat back pearls, a wax seal, and it has a fabric ruffle. Now all of these are in the blue theme. Over here we have sari silk closure, we have an eyelet, some decoration, some flat back pearls, some lace, and we open it up and we have a little booklet right here for journaling, and we have another pocket right here with a tag and a tag in the back envelope right there. Alrighty, so that's that one. And then here we have an open it up. We've got a pocket here with a piece of ephemera and another tag with a pocket. Looks like that. Has a beautiful bird on the front. Little bit of net ruffle here. Some crinkled seam binding. All right, so there are those 3 that go in this envelope. And then I think I'll just move that out of the way. I have altered paper clips that go with this. Look, there's a little house, you guys. So the altered paper clips, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's a little fan, has a little tag in it. And this one has little pockets in this as well. Sari silk. Looks just like that. And that's going in the envelope with the white daisies. I'm going to place this down below. The next thing I have is this little journal that I showed not too awfully long ago. And it has a sari silk closure. It has vintage laces and fabric on the front. It has a satin bow with a very interesting button. It's a square button. And it is a hardcover. Inside you will have a pocket on the front inside cover, as well as the back inside cover. It's rather eclectic in the fact that it has similar colors throughout, but there's no theme per se. It's not just a certain thing. There are pieces of ephemera that are paper clipped onto pages, and there are 4 of them. Let me get this one up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see right there. They all have the sari silk tie on them. Now let me look to see. There are 24 pages in here, and some of them are digital pages and some are coffee dyed. So there is lots and lots of journaling space in this little journal. What a lovely gift. Whether it's just a nice small gift to give to someone or a stocking stuffer, happy mail, holidays are coming up. I have 2 dangles here from the hand sewn signature. And so that's over there on my Etsy shop as well. I have another envelope here, and inside this envelope we have pieces of ephemera, and this envelope looks like this. It's teal color with black and white polka dots. It too has been cut with pinking shears and then sewn with the machine on the edge, and it has this sewing trim on it just like that. Now this is a piece of ephemera. It's similar to the one in which is in the other envelope. Very nice. And they're all in the blue shades. This is a pocket. It goes this way. This is a pocket. You can glue it down on 3 sides and use it as a pocket, or you can glue it down on 2 and use it as a tuck. So it looks just like that. This one right here is, let's see, it opens up. No, it doesn't open. It's a tag. That's what this is a tag. And it's got 2 pockets right here and 2 tags. Oh, that's a nice big tag right there. And it looks just like that. And then we have altered paper clips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's another house, and they're altered paper clips, as you can see, just like that. Alrighty, so that's over there, and I think I call this one a teal envelope. I think that's the word I used for that one. Then I have this journal that that I showed you. Once again, I showed you with the other one. It has a sari silk closure in a beautiful peach color. It has vintage fabrics and laces, and I have a tag right here. Now these fabrics and laces were from 1924 linens and more. A beautiful little cluster of ribbon flowers. It has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paper clip with the same similar color of the peach. This is more, I don't know, this is a little darker peach than that. I guess that's how I'll say it. This is most interesting fabric in that it is pleated. The corners have corner savers. They are metal. Nice little pocket with the vintage. It does have 2 dangles where I sewed the signature in. It has been machine stitched all around the edge. And this too is very eclectic in the fact that it has pages, digitals that blend with each other, but they're not matchy-matchy. We have, I think there's 3 built-in pockets on the pages, maybe 4. Don't quite remember. And how many pages are here? There are 32 pages. Lots and lots of journaling space here, guys. There's another little built-in pocket. So the pages are coffee dyed, or they have a digital printed on them, and then they have the paper clips holding in pieces of ephemera. I love that picture right there. And there's another built-in pocket. And that's what that one looks like. Oh, and I love that too. I love it. All right, you guys, that's what's over in my Etsy shop for this week. So let's go ahead and have our drawing for Happy Mail. And I've got my winner. Now, you guys, please follow the directions down below to tell you how you're going to get your address to me. I'm not real sure how someone sent me their address via messenger, my message. Don't do it that way, you guys. Send it my email down below. It will give you all the instructions. Now, what this is all about and how do you get into the fishbowl is that you tell me your act of kindness through simple acts of kindness, and you just tell me your act. I told you I can't speak today. You tell me your act of kindness towards other people in the comment section of the most recent Cathy Sewing Happiness. Letting someone in line at the grocery store because you have 2 items and you you have 20 items and they have 2. Oh, goodness gracious. Maybe I can get through this video. Letting someone in line of traffic. I love doing that one. I love receiving it, but please only let one person in. Otherwise, you're going to make people angry at you. We don't want any of that to happen. In the most recent video, tell me your act of kindness. If you wish not to say, that's okay too. If you wish not to say, type in spreading happiness, and that will be your entry. Now, if you enter in today's video, you need to check back next Sunday to see if your name has been popped in to the fishbowl. Well, it will be if you if you follow the directions. Okay, so let's just stop talking since I can't seem to talk today. And the winner is Betty Henson. Betty, you have won Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. You guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.